Hey guys, it's Tim from VP Machine. In the last video we made this machine oil daily tag. It's going on a machine that a friend of mine is restoring, and he was originally, he just wanted me to do the front and the engraving work, and then he was going to cut the back on a manual machine and take it down to 1/8 inch thickness and just apply it with epoxy. And he decided to have me finish it up and leave some hubs or pins, bosses on the back. So those are going to be 3/16 of an inch, and he wants some recesses around those bosses so that he can put the adhesive in there. And I'm going to set it up on the machine. I just thought I'd show you how I finish this plate up. There's about I don't know, maybe 10 minutes into making the front part of it, and there shouldn't be much time. This stuff's pretty easy to work with. So let me get it set up and we'll go from there. Okay, I have it set up in the machine, and I'm going to be using air blow as opposed to flood coolant because I don't want to contaminate the paint on the other side that's in the engraving. And also, I normally, with carbide tooling, I normally do not use flood coolant unless it's with aluminum. But first tool is 1/4 inch end mill, and let's see how it goes. And there goes that 1/4 inch end mill. Let me set up another one, and we'll slow down the feed a little bit and go from there. Okay, we're back set up with another end mill. That one was actually trying to get too aggressive and go full depth of cut through the part around those hubs, so it was a bad cutter pass. So we're going to see what happens here. I've got it set up a little differently. I'm going to ramp down around those hubs and make like 3 passes, and that should finish this up. It's a little rough, but I will clean that up and we'll see what it looks like after I clean it up. Okay guys, after I cleaned it up a little bit on the Scotch-Brite wheel, took a look at it and there's like a 1 thou and a half little bump in there, and I'm just going to do one more quick pocketing operation to take that out, and that should finish it up just fine. Sometimes things don't always go as planned if this was a production job. That's kind of how you learn how to set it up and optimize the program, and by the time you're doing multiples, you get good at it. So here we go on the last operation. Hopefully. And it actually needs to go down about another 1,000, so I'm going to adjust it on the machine here. And we'll rerun it one more time. Well, that almost cleaned it up. The issue we're running into right now, and it's not much of an issue, there's literally nothing there, is the plate is so flexible because it's only 1/8 of an inch thick, and we removed all that material. So we'll go over to the Scotch-Brite wheel. That'll clean right up. Take it over here with me. That's what we're dealing with right now. It should take seconds to clean up. And that's what we have. He has his little recesses where he can put glue. I can take it over and Scotch-Brite all those marks out of it real easy. I'll do that real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I just used some flat handheld Scotch-Brite to clean this up the rest of the way, and it came out fine. There's no cutter marks in there, and try and get this in the light where you guys can see it. But that should work for him. He's just got a 20 thou recess to put some glue into. He's going to drill some 3/16 holes for those pins and apply it to his machine. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.